This is the new orange train. So, in here, you have the people in here. So, there's the little newspaper. And there's luggage racks. And in here, there's a toilet with a little man in the toilet, and the toilet door moves and slides like an actual train. And then in this car, we have coffee machine, little mug of coffee, and we have the buffet, which the door opens here, so the guy can get out. And there's some people here with a mug of coffee. And then down here we have the front of the train, which has the girl driver, and we have the lights here. And these parts are the electricity parts. You can move them wherever you want them to go. And if you ever buy this, it takes about all day to build. It's the kit number 10233. It's the expert version. It's 79 centimeters long, and you can buy two and get it like that. The two carriages are split up, so the two roofs come up there. One roof comes up there, one roof comes up there. And then this part of the train is the engine. Thank you for watching.